meet the newest owner of a monster car. Hey. So guys, my birthday is coming next week, and guess what? I decided to gift myself a car on my 26th birthday. Hey. What God cannot do does not exist. So guys, as you can all see, hakuna mbaba hapa. So if you don't have anyone to gift you, just work hard and gift yourself. Love yourself to this extent. Congratulations, dear self. Monster.
So how are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling so excited, by the way. Let me tell you. What God cannot do does not what? Exist. This is a village girl, by the way, who has come to the city and did what? Haters, hi! So kwa wale watu walikuwa wananitusi, kazi yako ni kutingiza matako TikTok. Maybe hata matako inalipa. Anyway guys, here we are. Kwa wale haters wangu walikuwa wanasema, kazi yako sijui nini. Anyway, Mungu pia atawabariki. Just go down on your knees and pray. But guys, I really want to thank God. The amount of days I was on my knees praying that God, give me a monster. No yapa. So I want to thank everybody who has supported me. Kutoka zile days nilikuwa na YouTube channel views 5. We struggle. Mtu anacheka, wewe hata una content. You should do something else. Achana na YouTube, achana na content creation. So guys, I really want to thank the people who supported me, to people who supported my business, people who supported my YouTube channels and all other businesses. So guys, thank you so much to my mother, to my fans, to my friend, my family, my brother, everybody. I really want to thank you. Guys, it's excitement. I can't even hold myself. Do you know, guys? Coming from the village, kuja Nairobi kupingana na mabazu. Kupingana na mabazu na mimi nimetoka Kisii huko ndani. It's not easy, by the way. It's not easy. Like, I feel like hata sijielewi. See, God, thank you. So guys, before to endele, I would like to tell you all that in the next 1 month, I'll not be sleeping in my house. I'll just be sleeping in the car. Because there's no way I can buy such a huge car in inatoshana single room. Nalala kwa nyumba. I'll be sleeping in the car for the next 1 month. Okay? Toros. So guys, stay tuned. I'll be doing a video on how nenda kutengeneza gari yangu, vile nitaweka mattress and all that, vile nitakuwa nalala kwa gari, all that for the next 1 month. Let's go and do shopping. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Watu wangu nguvu niko na Kemunto access. She's actually been able to buy this big machine as you guys can see.
Hii gari unapanda hauingii. Unapanda. Unapanda hauingii. Yeah. This one unapanda.
Why this specific?
Because it's an off-road and I really wanted a big.
You love big machines.
I love big machines. I am a big machine. So,
wow.
So wezi sema iti ngende kagari kadogo. Also, I have to brag about what God has done for me. Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. What would you tell someone they are out there, they are struggling, they are really trying to push and make things work, but it's not working?
Yani, if you are going through a lot, yani unasikia una give up, just watch my story. You will feel enlightened. You will feel motivated and encouraged. Because me, I've really gone through a lot. Yeah. So if you feel too down, we kuja watch story yangu, utakuwa poa.
And what are your future prospects now as a businesswoman?
Yes. Okay, so since now I have a 4-wheel off-road, I want to do more of content. I want